The sky was torn with thunder. The earth trembled under the weight of battle. And in the middle of it all stood Tarakasura, proud, powerful, roaring with arrogance. His voice echoed across worlds. He had conquered the heavens, defeated the gods, and bathed in the illusion of being invincible. And why wouldn't he feel untouchable? He had earned a boon that protected him. No one could kill him except the son of Shiva. And Shiva. He was lost in deep meditation, disconnected from the world. To Tarakasura, this meant one thing. Victory was his forever. But then came Kartikeya. A child, yes, but not ordinary. He was born of divine energy, forged from devotion, focus, and purpose. Not out of rage, not for revenge. He didn't rise for power. He rose because he knew why he was here. While Tarakasura represented ego, overconfidence, and uncontrolled ambition, Kartikeya stood for clarity, for quiet strength, the kind that doesn't shout, but transforms everything it touches. Their battle wasn't just a clash of weapons, it was a clash of mindsets, of illusions versus truth, of scattered pride versus focused purpose. Tarakasura had prepared with power, but Kartikeya had prepared in silence, meditating before the battle, tuning into something far greater than himself. His weapon was not just the well, the divine spear. His true weapon was his mind, still, steady, unshaken. He didn't charge into war to prove anything. He didn't fight to show dominance. He moved with quiet precision. Every step, every breath was aligned with something sacred. And when the final moment came, he didn't scream. He didn't hesitate. He simply raised his well and struck. One strike. Silence. The illusion shattered. Tarakasura was defeated. Not out of hatred, but out of purpose. Because true warriors don't fight to destroy. They fight to protect. They fight to awaken. This battle from the Shiva Purana isn't just mythology, it's a mirror, a reflection of what every young soul faces today. Because in today's world, Tarakasura wears many faces: self-doubt, overthinking, comparison, peer pressure, identity crisis, emotional wounds left unhealed. And Kartikeya? He lives inside you. In every student rising early to pursue a dream. In every young leader choosing truth over popularity. In every heart that turns its pain into power. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to be aligned. Clarity is your compass. Discipline is your armor. Your focus, that is your well. And when your intention is clean, when your energy is directed with purpose, no demon, inner or outer, can stop you. Kartikeya reminds us that youth is not weakness. It is energy. Energy that, when scattered, creates destruction, but when guided, transforms the world. He wasn't the oldest. He wasn't the most experienced, but he was clear. He was steady. He was courageous. And that was enough. So if you ever feel like you're not enough, if your inner demons seem louder than your voice, remember, Tarakasura was massive. But Kartikeya had purpose, and sometimes that's all it takes. The storm passed, the skies cleared, the world exhaled, the battle ended, not just outside, but within. Because every time you overcome fear with focus, you become Skanda. Subscribe for more spiritual stories from the Shiva Purana, where ancient myths awaken the warrior within you.